All right, I've got the outdoor solar light kit from Mia. Let's open these up. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. And I'm going to demo these later on tonight. I'm going to take them outside and charge them up in the sun and see how they do in the nighttime, and we'll check it out. So let's open this up. We got a set of instructions here. Shows you how to use the stuff. We have some mounting hardware for each of the lights, some anchors and screws. We have one light, two lights, and two remote controls. The remote controls have a little plastic tag on here. You just pull it out and it activates the battery to keep the battery from discharging during travel, I assume. Let's open this up and see what kind it is. And this comes with a CR2025 lithium battery, very common, can be found almost anywhere, your local store, your big online store. So here we have the light. We've got angles that we can move around. There's an on-off switch on the back right here, and apparently the remote control sensors on the back of the lights is something to take into consideration when purchasing this. We have a solar panel itself that has a 15-foot cable on it. So if you wanted to, you could put the solar panel up to 15 foot away from the light to help you get the solar energy you need to charge this thing back up on a daily basis. These things are obviously made of plastic. We've got a mounting bracket on here with two mounting holes on the back. There's your range of motion on these lights right here if you have this mounted. So mounted under something, you could go straight up and down, almost all the way to the back. If you're mounted on the side of something, little Phillips head screw here to tighten this up when you get it set to the place that you want it to be in. On the back of the solar panel, there's also two mounting holes. So this also has the same amount of rotation that the light has. These are IP65 waterproof, so they're good for rain and so forth. Maybe the occasional shot with a hose. You obviously don't want to sink these into a bathtub or something, but you should be all right. These lights have a 182 LED chips in them, and they go off at 1200 lumens. All right, the remote control itself has an on button, an off button, and three modes. Mode 1 is the powerful mode, they call it. So when it detects motion, it'll come on full bright. Mode 2 is the dim light sensor mode. When it senses motion, it'll come on fully bright for 15 seconds and then go into dim light mode, which is 50% brightness. And mode 3, you can just constantly have the light on if you wanted to. Obviously, you want to make sure you regularly, clean the solar panel. You get the snow off there in the winter and the dust off there in the summer. And you don't want to install this in a shadowy or dark area. These are obvious things, I assume. So let's get these things out in the sunshine, get them charged up, then we'll test them out tonight, and I'll come back. All right, so we got this thing plugged in, and it is kind of an overcast day, but we're going to let this thing charge up all day, and then we'll come out tonight and test out the different modes and see how it works. Whoa, look at that. So here is my shed. No light on it. Here's the spotlight. Look at that. That's quite a bit of light. That's quite a bit of light. There it is in dim mode. Let's see if we can set it off. Look at that. Motion detector sets it off and goes into high mode. Wow. That's pretty bright. This lights up the back of my house. Look at that. So if you're looking for a powerful set of solar lights, check this one out. Check it out.